Hey guys, it's Kat. If you've been on TikTok this past week, you've definitely seen the Renaissance trend. A lot of people are super confused about how to do it because it is a little tricky, but I'm here to show you how. This will definitely give you a lot of views on TikTok because it's creative and super fun. So without further ado, here's the tutorial you've been waiting for. Alright, this is how to do the Renaissance trend on TikTok. Let's go. Find the effect time warp scan on TikTok and save it and then make a video. All you're going to do is save this video and then take a screenshot of the last image. Using PixArt, we're going to edit the photo. So upload a new photo, turn down the opacity, and then we're just going to erase around you. I have more tutorials on my feed how to do this. Now turn the opacity back up and put on a filter so it looks more vintage. I like using one with grain but still makes the colors pop. Alright, moving on to the next step. Tap Video Leap. Upload your edited photo and your video and put the edited photo on top like this. Make sure the photo covers the entire video. For the fun part, click on Mask, Linear, and the little plus button on the bottom right. I'll circle it. Slowly, we're going to press play, then pause, and bring down the photo as you go down. I know it's kind of confusing, but if you do it slowly, it will work.